In a bid to extend their reachability, businesses have taken to online platforms, a situation that has in turn led to the sprouting of software developers and companies that offer solutions to online businesses. The gap, though, still lies with the insufficient regulatory regime to protect online platform users and innovators.
On the downside, policy is taking a while. Things around intellectual property are taking a while. And even the baseline of public knowledge. People do not know about what legislation works around IT. Some people think we don't have laws around IT, so you can plagiarize anyone's software and get along with it. People use bootleg software everywhere and feel comfortable about it, even in big companies.
On the brighter side, Uganda is slowly emerging as an ICT development hub as more businesses go into software development and application to deal with day-to-day operations.
More businesses are having technology become front and center of their businesses. Today you can send money on from your phone, check your balances, and more or less transact amongst very many businesses online. So as more companies are moving their businesses to become online centric, they can't take a risk for their core businesses to be done by people they don't trust to do it. So software is becoming a key thing and a sprouting market. So of course now, as we're having shortages of developers, we're trying to make sure they're trained fast enough to meet our needs locally.
Besides improvement in the supportive infrastructure, experts also note that several institutions have now come in to support such e-commerce developments.
Things are definitely improving. I'll give the example of internet speed, access to some of these access to some payment mechanisms. For example, online, if you want to pay for server hosting like on AWS or Rackspace or something, about 10 years ago, you would have to call a friend in the US or the UK, someone who had a credit card to be able to pay. But right now, our local banks are also moving in the direction whereby they are making these online payment systems.
While it's true that Uganda has made some strides in supporting ICT innovations, critical issues related to mass accessibility of resultant services and regulations to guide the sector are critical interventions yet to be fully effected. Ingrid Nantege, NTV Business.